Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to show and hide your activity status on your account for OnlyFans using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for OnlyFans. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go over to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Wait for that to load. Now let's go to the OnlyFans platform. We can use a shortcut on the bookmarks tab. Click on this. This will take us directly to our profile. Now, as you can see on our profile, we have the status as available. We can click on this and go to invisible, right click, reload the page, and we have changed our status to hide. Let's now reverse it back to available, right click, reload the page. Now go to the cogwheel where it says edit profile, go to privacy and safety, show activity status, change that to private, changes were saved. Now let's go back. And there you can see we are invisible. If I were to, let's just say now, copy the link to the profile. Now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome. Paste that into the search engine. Enter. You can now see that we are invisible. If I were to minimize Chrome for the moment, change to available, right click, reload the page. We are now available. Go back to Chrome, right click, reload the page, and there we go. We are available now. So we can now quit Chrome, quit the web browser Safari. And so that's all this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.